welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Nathan. I am the owner of this channel, and today I will be showing you how to make a probe droid from Star Wars out of Lego. Okay, now first we're going to take it apart and try all the pieces you need. Sorry about my family in the background. I will be showing you what you need. You'll need you'll need two of these pieces, which honestly I used to call my Ferris wheels. You'll also need 4 of these pieces. 2 of these clip pieces, which look like minifigure hands. 2 black studs with a hole in the middle and a hole in the middle. You want that step. And 2 of these gray pieces also with a hole in the middle. You'll need those. A red stud, it doesn't have to have a hole in the middle. It can, whatever you want, but it's fine. You'll need 1 of these pieces. These, I forget what this is called. 2 of these pieces, 1 that's transparent and another one that's a gray. And also 1 last piece. You'll need a transparent bar piece. So let's get started. Okay, first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this transparent piece and you're going to want to put it inside of that bar. You're going to want to put that bar inside it. And then what you're going to need to do is take this piece, and what I like to call is a mini Ferris wheel. What you're going to need to do is put it underneath it. Connect it underneath, but this part, not this top part, okay? This part, okay? So what you're going to need is take this, put it on here. Then what you're going to need to do is take 1 of the light gray studs, put it on top of here, and there we go. We got the head or the bottom of the body for the probe droid. So now what you're going to need to do is, actually wait, I'll do that part last. Second, what you're going to need to do is take these clip pieces. So you're going to need to take a red and put it on there for an eye, and then you're going to need to take like both of these and then put it on there. Sorry if this is taking too long. Okay, this is my 3rd video. This is my first time being a YouTuber. And then you're going to need to have 3 of these clip pieces. They're all clips. Okay, so then what you're going to need to do is take this other piece. You're going to want to put this gray piece on the top, not the bottom. When you put this other gray piece on the top, in the middle. I'll show it after. In the middle. And then what you're going to need to do is put this red clip right there. This is going to be the head of the probe droid. So then you're going to need to put this stud on there, and then another one right on here. And then, alright, and before we actually continue with this, my sister wants to also be a special guest. So, welcome Leah. You're supposed to look. Okay, she's kind of shy. So, hey Leah, you want to say hello, world? Come on, say hello, world.
Hello, world.
Alright, well, we're going to continue building, okay? Holy, we're 4 minutes into this. Okay, this is taking actually a really long time. We're going to need to take this dish piece. We're going to need to put it on top of that. Actually, wait. Oh, oh my gosh. Yeah, you're going to need to put this gray stud on. I forgot if I already said that, but then you're going to need to put this dish piece on it. And then you're going to need to take this bottom piece, this other one on the body. You're going to need to put this stud like onto the middle, like way, onto that middle. Okay? And then there, we almost got done our probe droid. Then you're going to need to take these four of these arm pieces. You're going to need to put them on each of every side. And then we are almost done our probe droid. We're going to need to put the last 4 of these arms on. Okay, then remember that piece at the start of it I said? We're going to need to put that on in the middle. And then are going to put these down. If you want, you can. I'm just going to put these down. My sister's watching. And then, we're done our probe droid. Yay. Alright, bye everybody. See you later. Alright, bye.